Have you ever heard, "Are we there yet?" on a road trip and gone like totally full on bonkers? I have, but today's tutorial will make your next family road trip so much better. Hey Remodelaholics, I'm Cassidy. Welcome back to our DIY channel. One tricky thing about remodeling a house is that it's really hard to get a break when you need it. So one of the things we always try to do is go on a lot of family trips, especially when we need a break from living in a construction zone. Leave me a comment and tell me your family's favorite place to visit. I will just tell you, ours is Disneyland or Disney World. We are fanatics. But we really do need some new ideas for family escapes, so let us know where you guys love to go. Today, our brilliant contributor Sarah from The Created Home is sharing a build that is going to be a game changer for your next road trip. This backseat organizer has 2 cup holders and 2 compartments to hold books, tablets, coloring pages, or whatever other entertainment makes for happy travelers. But then wait for it. Boom! It also has snack drawers. It's like magic. It's like a magic babysitter. Is that a thing? I mean, you don't even need Mary Poppins. All you need is this car organizer. You can measure and customize this car organizer to fit neatly between 2 car seats in the back seat. It also features a strap to anchor it to the latch system in your car so that it stays safely in place throughout your whole trip. So, let's get to building. You can download the free printable building instructions over at Remodelaholic.com. Start by measuring your vehicle and making the cuts according to the building instructions. In the back panel piece, cut 2 holes for the strap. Cut another hole in the middle divider to use as a carrying handle. Assemble the main box using pocket hole screws or brad nails. Attach the base using spacers beneath it to hold it at the right height to allow for the drawer. Next, attach the dividers. Sarah made 3 compartments on either side, but this is easy to customize for your needs. Attach the drawer sides and back. Install the drawer pole on the drawer front and then attach it to the drawer following the building instructions. Attach the bottom supports and a couple small pieces at the back of the organizer to help it sit level on the angled vehicle seat. Sarah upped the professional look of her car organizer by using a trim router to round the edges and then filled in the plywood edges with Bondo before painting. Install the strap and latch your new car organizer into the back seat. So what do you think? Is this car organizer and snack storage enough to keep your kids from fighting on your next road trip? I'm not sure there's anything on the planet that is that magical, but I do think this might help. I'd love to hear your best trips for traveling with kids or your best horror stories, because those are good too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel here. Don't forget to give Sarah a thumbs up for such an awesome idea. For more super secret storage, check out this awesome coat rack with a hidden compartment. If you haven't seen it yet, you need to check out the brilliant 2-for-1 action on this ladder chair. See you next week, guys. Happy DIYing.